On day 13, Italy comes to Rhode Island as we anticipate a gondola boat tour at sunset. And before that, checking out some things in Providence.
What did you think about the place we stayed in Boston?
I liked it. That was my favorite place we stayed because I got my own bed and it was a nice soft bed. And they had 3 grand pianos and 1 harpsichord, which was a lot.
Enjoyed in Providence, learning some more about the founding of that as a city and how Roger Williams was looking for a place where he could independently worship without restrictions from the state at all. And the First Baptist Church that he started there is still a church in Providence.
Looking to kill some time before we can check into our place, and so we were going to go to the beach, and somehow we got the idea that maybe it might cost something to get in. So I said to the kids, as long as it doesn't cost $80, we can go to the beach. And there were 6 of us in the van because Samantha had joined us on the trip at this point. So when we pulled up to the place to get on the beach, the parking all said residents of Rhode Island only, or the particular city. I think it was Newport or Providence. I don't remember, but it said you can't go there. So we went to the little parking lot for the non-residents, and the lady said, okay, that'll be $10 for parking, and I'm like, okay, great, no problem. But then she told us, I'd already handed her a 20 at this point. She said, oh yeah, by the way, it's $12 per person to get into the beach for non-residents. So adding that up for 6 of us was $72 plus the 10 for parking, $82. So I said, nope, we're not doing that.
Favorite thing I did in Rhode Island was the first day there we stopped at a beach before we got to the house, and we went hunting for these mole crabs. Couldn't figure out what they were at first. To be honest, they looked like marine bugs, but we found a whole bunch of them and saved them in a net, and that was pretty fun.
I liked the gondola tour. That was fun. We were in a boat and there was this man rowing it, and it was fun.
Why was it fun?
Because we were on the water and they would sing and stuff for you, so it's really entertaining.
In Rhode Island, we did the gondola tour, which was really fun. We went in a boat and got to bring a drink with us, and we went down a river, and then they sung underneath the bridges.
Also enjoyed the gondola tour. Got to ride on gondolas down the Providence River for a little bit. Had great tour guides explaining some history and singing some songs. The girls were getting giggly over the songs. Elizabeth, what were your favorite things that you got to do in Rhode Island?
We also went on a gondola boat tour where the guys would row the boat while standing and they would sing under bridges and stuff.
What was unique about the singing on the gondola tour?
It was all in Italian, so I couldn't understand any of what they were saying. But under the tunnels or the bridges, it sounded really it sounded different. It sounded more like ringy and full, and I don't know, it was fun.
Favorite family moment?
Maybe playing golf. Everyone in our family played golf, and it's where you have 4 cards and you want to get the lowest score, and you can only see the bottom 2, so it's sort of guessing what's on the top, and it was really fun when everyone played.